Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we got a very special truck. Never seen one of these before. It's a 1962 C20 two-wheel drive chassis mounted camper. You know, these days they have the Lances and lots of different style campers, but I have never seen a 62 like this. Finished in the quintessential colors. Has all the amenities, air conditioning, heat. Can't wait to show you the inside of it. A small block under the hood. Tires are in great shape. Spare in the back. Very unique. The air conditioning unit on the top isn't that old either. It looks nice and cold. This would make a fantastic restoration project. Very solid. Doesn't take much to get it going, but it runs and drives great now. I love these vented windows. Such a cool design. Nice big lofty bench seat. Manual transmission on the tree. Added third belt. We have 3 up front. Little storage in the bumpers, probably for your sewer hose. Neat. This for your water. Actually, that's for the fuel. It's got a fuel adapter in there. Propane. Let's see what's in here. Look at that old school bottle jack. That's neat. This is all aluminum corrugated. That's for water. Actually, this looks like sewer. Comes out there. And the sewer exit. This big lofty bench seat. It's in great shape. 74,000 miles. So cool. Yeah, very interesting. Very original. Definitely original paint. We'll pass through here. There's plexiglass on it, but that can be removed. Very cool. 6.5-inch speakers up here too. I don't know what this is. Might be a radio. Or blinkers? Oh, trailer brake. That's what that is. Pretty cool. I'll show you under the hood. So originally came with a 389 probably. But this looks like a small block, maybe a 327 double hump head. Cool. Very neat. Double humps on the head right there. It's definitely a 327, more powerful version. Runs and drives great. Rob's gonna fire it up right now. Cold start. And look at that. Original 62 plate on it. It's neat. You turn the headlights on? I noticed this looks like a trailer brake.
Yes.
Very cool.
Yeah.
It's neat. Corn?
Oh no, that's
that's
a
the
windshield washer squirter. And I just noticed too, they have all these old maintenance things.
Yeah.
You know,
oh my
60s.
God, that is so cool. Dude, that's how it was done.
Yeah. Nice and easy,
so
right?
original.
Yeah.
God, what is this thing out here? I can't figure it out. Rob. Oh, so for power brakes.
Yeah.
Oh, I've never seen that. That's interesting.
Yeah. I have the paperwork. They just reported through. I got it.
Oh, cool.
So I have a bunch of paperwork.
Yeah, it's all inspected and ready to go. Great truck. Yeah, it just needs fenders.
Some fenders need some inners. Some more.
Yeah, the inner fenders.
Need some patches.
Cowl can be done. Inside's the coolest. Love the inside. Guys, check this out. There's the heater. Full bed up here. Old school windows. It's a newer vent. Newer air conditioning unit. That works too. Look at this tube TV. So this converts to a bed. And then this also converts to a bed. It just flips over. The lights inside are propane. It's pretty cool. Lots of storage. 3-burner stove. Water. Commode. So cool. A little refrigerator. That's awesome. Love the old school curtains and stuff in here too. Runs great. Super neat. New tires too, huh, Rob?
What was that?
The tires are new?
Yeah, new tires. I think it's got 2 gas tanks too, Mike. Wow. I never got under to see it, but there's 2 switches here.
Yeah.
The front and rear.
Yep. I noticed that right away.
So,
pretty cool.
like I said,
front and rear.
Really,
yeah.
I never really got into this to start checking stuff out.
Super neat.
The rear bumper is a holder for the
Sewer
pool
pipe,
hose.
yeah. So cool. What a unique truck. They probably didn't make too many of these. Wow, 66. So that's original miles, 74.
Yeah.
I can't get over this cool trailer brake. That's cool.
It's got the lever on the side to engage it.
Yeah, I saw that. I thought it was a radio at first, but no, that's a trailer brake. Super neat. And 3-speed, right?
Yep, 3 on the tree.
Oh. C20. Man, very cool. Might be listing these soon too, guys, so stay tuned. Well, guys, give me a call, 631-339-0399. Definitely a piece of history here. Check out about 200 and change photos I took today on the website, weebyautos.com. Thanks, Rob. Appreciate it.
Well,